Attention! All Borborbor groups across Ghana, get ready for the National Borborbor Championship 2026. Do you have what it takes to be crowned the best in Ghana? If you are a Borborbor group, send us your best 2-minute performance video. WhatsApp it now to 0539 984 990 and get shortlisted for the grand competition. And showcase your Borborbor group and your community on national television. Registration ends on 10th July 2026. Winner takes home the ultimate trophy, 10,000 Ghana cedis, an ambassadorial deal with the National Commission on Culture. First runner-up wins 5,000 Ghana cedis. Second runner-up takes home 3,000 Ghana cedis. Souvenirs from sponsors. Don't miss this chance to shine and make history. Venue Bankoi, Volta Region, Ghana. Let's celebrate our culture. Let's dance. Let's win.